One topic we see quite often in the forums is you want to be able to create multiple purchase orders within a single worksheet with Oracle VBCS. Hi, I'm David from More for Apps, and I'll take you through our findings. Oracle do provide an example template for VBCS, however, as you'll notice, it's got a purchase order with lines, then there's schedules and distributions on separate worksheets, which you then have to link together. In an ideal world, you should be able to have multiple headers with multiple lines, schedules and distributions all in the one spreadsheet. Oracle confirmed this situation back in March 22. This is a current limitation for Visual Builder. It does one PO at a time. All is not lost. You can create multiple purchase orders with More for Apps. You can see here in our layout we have the header, we have the lines, the schedule and the distributions all on the one worksheet. Simple and easy. Thanks for watching this video.